Nasaan na nga pala si Harry Roque? Kung hindi niyo alam kung paano nakatakas si Go Huaping, alam niyo ba kung nasaan si Harry Roque sa ngayon? Is he still in Dubai?
Madam Chair, we can't recall the dates anymore, but ang the last information that we had against on the couple, the Roques, umalis po ng Singapore yung wife, and then nagbound Dubai, and there's also a sighting of Harry Roque also in Dubai. There's also an information na umalis po sila sometime December, and then yung information po na yon after sorry Madam Chair, but we don't have any more.
Alam niyo ba na pumunta silang, or at least si Harry Roque pumunta sa Singapore sa loob ng isang araw? Or rather, pumunta nang siya. Alam niyo ba na pumunta siyang Shanghai for 1 day?
Meron pong information pero wala po kaming validated proof na nag-enter po siya ng China.
At meron ba kayong information or proof na mula sa Shanghai na isang araw lang ang tinagal niya doon, tumuloy siya sa...
Madam Chair, sorry, wala po kaming pero meron po alam na pumunta rin po siya ng Japan. And hindi po siya alis, supposed to be bound for US, pero denied the check-in. So wala rin naman hong holdings ang Japan Police and Immigration. Thereafter that, wala na po kami information.
Saan po siya sa Japan ayon sa...
Wala, sorry po kaming exact details.
And bound supposedly saan sa US? Information.
We don't have any information also, Madam Chair.
So do you know if he's still in Macau?
Sorry, Madam Chair, we don't have any information.
All right. Salamat, Chief Manahan. Dako na muna ako sa Department of Justice. Yes, ma'am. Attorney Torrevillas, Attorney Olivia. Ma'am, pwede niyo po ba kaming bigyan ng sa mga kasong laban kina Guo Huaping, dun po sa Bamban Pogo, at saka kina Cassandra Harry Roque naman sa Porac Pogo, na yang Jan Tony Yang.
Good morning, Madam Chair. Bamban case filed against Alice Goo. We information for qualified human trafficking in September of 2024, and the bail application of Alice Goo and her co-accused are all denied by the Honorable Court in December last year. Terminate the presentation of evidence March 31. The defense will present its evidence in May 2020. For the Porac case, there is already a draft resolution against Cassie Ong, Harry Roque, and the respondents in the Porac case.